What's up, guys? We are in the gas insert section. It is just after Labor Day, and you know what that means. Burn season is here. That's what we call it in the fireplace industry. It means it's time to start burning your fireplaces. It's time to turn them on. We're talking gas inserts today, and for the first time, I think in 2 or 3 years, new top 5 video coming your way. Let's roll. Don't forget, guys, if you're in the Denver, Colorado area, we are one of the largest, I can't say that for certainty, but I think we are the best showroom in the Denver metro area. I'm biased, I own this place. I think we have the best showroom in the state. Don't take my word for it, come and see it for yourselves. We have gas inserts on display like crazy. Today what I'm gonna do, I think one of the problems in a lot of retail spaces, not just this retail space, is brands come out with way too many products. What are you researching? Which one's the best? Blah, blah, blah. That's what I'm here for. I'm narrowing it down to top 5. Now, like I always say, there isn't a blanket statement on which one is right for you. Everyone's different. Everyone has different needs. All right, so just because I rank something number 1 doesn't mean it might be number 1 for you. Maybe the third one might be number 1 for you. Man, I'm getting hit from both sides here. Like, I'm just getting blasted. So as we go through this, take it with a grain of salt and apply your situation at home to what your needs are. Glean from that, learn from it. If you like what you're learning in this video, give us first stab at the business. It helps us out a ton. Even if you're not local, we may be able to help you out still. All right, let's get down to business. All right, few little bullet points before we get to our top 5. We have a few little niche products before we get to top 5. In the Denver market, downtown, there's a lot of older homes that have coal burning fireplaces. So they're really, really, really narrow. This is gonna be what you're gonna want. So this is the Valor portrait series. We sell dozens of them every winter because this is what fits. So you can go really simple, clean lines, or you could dress it up really ornate and stay true to the classic look of the Denver market. That's gonna be what you're gonna want if you have an old coal burner. Come see them in person. All right, one other unit we're going to get to before we get to our top 5. This is like an honorable mention because it's not in our top 5. However, if you're shopping for a price point unit, this is the Heat and Glow Provident series. If you want a full breakdown on this unit, watch this video below. This is your simple, no remote, on-off switch, great for rentals, great for income properties, great for fix and flips, to dress up the old fireplace. It's the only insert we sell under $3,000 without sacrificing heat. All right, the Provident is what you're gonna want. Now that's where I talk about product confusion. This is made by Heat and Glow, which is made by the parent company called HHT. So they make, in inserts, they make Heat and Glow and Majestic gas inserts. So Majestic is the same brand. Slightly different, but usually similar fireboxes. Their unit, the Majestic unit, if you see the Majestic models popping up, that's gonna be the Jasper model. All right, we sell both of them, but we're displaying the Heat and Glow. All right, should we get to top 5? Let's get to top 5. You ready for top 5? Let's go. All right, coming in at number 5, this is the Napoleon Oakville series. All right, now if you watched my videos before, we've actually had this as high as number 1 in the past. It's dropped all the way down to number 5. I opened the showroom in 2019. The Oakvilles were put in my showroom then. It's still the same model today. I think it's starting to get a little bit long in the tooth, and that's why it's dropped to number 5. Still a great unit, kind of bang for your buck. What do we like about it? Comes pretty much loaded, especially in the 4 series, which is the larger one. It comes in a 3 and a 4. You can get a stripped down 3 model, and then you can get a loaded up 3, and then the larger 4, which is like a 35-inch. One of the cool features, it has a 2-stage burner system, so we can turn the front burner on and off. So it gives us a lot of flexibility with heat output. We have different panel options, different log options, so we can upgrade to like a birch log set. You can do different colored fronts, arch fronts, a lot of choices. Just an overall solid unit. You can hook it up to Bluetooth. In my opinion, it's just starting to get a little bit long in the tooth, and I think some other units have come out that are better. But if you want a tried and true, old faithful, good solid price point, take a look at this guy. All right, coming in at number 4 is gonna be the Ortal Wilderness series. Now, it is number 4, but I think there's an argument that this could be number 1 based on pure aesthetics. There's a few units out that have fire and log now. There's a handful of them in gas inserts. Basically, if you're not familiar with Ortal, this is gonna be the insert you want. Like, this is your designer insert. This is like your Gucci insert, like your Louis Vuitton insert, if you will. It's a really good performing unit, but it's very solid, very efficient, heats well, but they're really more focused on aesthetics. All right, so they're one of the only ones, I think the only brand, where the actual burner itself is inside the log. So it's not a log sitting on top of a burner, like the flame is actually coming out of the log set, which I think it's just I don't know if it's a better look, but it's a totally different look. And I do think, you know, from back here, it looks really, really solid. I think what it does sometimes is fills up that firebox. All right, comes in a couple sizes. Really, really just nice, simple, clean fronts, not confusing. Comes loaded with remote control. We can set the thermostat, control the flame height 50%, turn down. We have a few different log options. You can do more of like a charred log or something like this. And then what's really cool is they have a lot of really cool designer panels. So I think like even their herringbone panel system looks really attractive, like really realistic, like not rustic, but what we have here is the black reflective glass. And so what they use is real ceramic glass. So ceramic glass gives us like a deeper reflection, and it's better long term. It's easier to clean in the background. So if you get condensation streaks or something on that panel, it's gonna clean up really easy. Really underrated feature that a lot of people don't know that this fireplace has is it has the anti-reflective glass front. There's only one other unit, which we're gonna get to, that uses the anti-reflective glass. What that does is it's harder to tell, I think, with the black panels. I think it would actually show it off better in our showroom with like a brick panel. But if we had the herringbone panels in this glass is anti-reflective, and it's, again, in our showroom without a lot of windows, it's hard to tell. So if you're in a bright room, the anti-reflective glass helps a lot. So this is the only brand out there that's gonna give you fire in log combined with anti-reflective glass, which is one of the most expensive upgrades in the manufacturing process. So that's why I'm saying design or fireplace. Ortal's background really is the luxury design, frameless, grand, big fireplaces. They basically took that designer concept and put it into an insert. And this is what came out. Awesome unit. But really, I hate saying this because it minimizes how well it's performing, like it's burning my arm right now. It is performing really well, and it's an awesome look, but you're really buying this because it just looks money. Is that making sense? There's better performing units out there from a pure heat standpoint, which we're gonna get to, but this is gonna be what you want for pure aesthetics. It has the anti-reflective glass, which is one of my favorite upgrades. Fire in log. I could definitely see putting this in my house with like some herringbone or something. Great unit. Let's get to number 3. All right, the Heat and Glow Supreme series comes in 3 sizes. Now, this is the fireplace. I'm kind of singling them out by category. So we had the Provident, which is like the insert you want for best bang for your buck. The Napoleon Oakville, I'm not really sure where that's fallen now. That's sort of in no man's land. We have the designer insert, you know, I think one of our most aesthetically pleasing gas inserts in the Ortal series. The Supreme, we're gonna label this insert the best bang for your buck. Like, this is the most amount of gas insert you're gonna get for your dollar. Like, it's a jack of all trades, master of a lot. I guess you could say master of none is not really true, but it just does everything really, really well. It doesn't, like, it's not the top in every single category, but it just does everything exceptional. This is why the Napoleon dropped, is I think these units really bumped what the Napoleon Oakville used to be, if that makes sense. I think the heat exchanger in here is better. This is putting off a lot better heat. I think it's, you know, I haven't looked at the exact efficiency ratings, which is a whole nother video on what I want to get into about when you're looking at efficiency ratings. To me, they don't mean as much. But they just do a really good job of heating. So they come in 25, 30, 35 inch. This is the 30 and 35 inch. Comes loaded with remote control, comes loaded with a fan. On our remote control, we can set the temperature, we can adjust the flame height, we can put it on a timer, put it on a thermostat, and wherever this is gonna be, it's gonna read from. From there, we can upgrade to the IntelliFire Wi-Fi system. So when we go to the Wi-Fi system, now we can control everything on our phone, and the Wi-Fi system is obviously a little bit more reliable than like a traditional Bluetooth system. Same thing, we have a handful of fronts we can choose from, different brick panels, and then we can also choose our logs on the inside. So here we have traditional oak logs, and here we have the birch logs. Now, this is the hottest I've been so far sitting in front of a fireplace. Like, so that's what I'm talking, like I think for the money, there's more expensive inserts out there. There's probably more efficient inserts out there, which we're gonna get to. But if you just want overall best bang for your buck, this is Heat and Glow's best selling insert, and that's why. You just get a lot for your money. And it just does a really, really good job. If you want a more in-depth review on this, check out my Heat and Glow independent review here. Let's get to number 2. All right, time to get to number 2, and that's gonna be the Mendota FULLVIEW series. I'm gonna be going quick because this is where Chris wanted me, and I'm not gonna last too long sitting in this corner. This is number 1 in just pure performance. If you want just to be smoked out of your house, like best heater, it's this fireplace. This is by far the best performing, strictly from a heat standpoint. Mendota is owned by Johnson Gas. If you haven't heard my spiel before, they've been making industrial furnaces since the early 1900s. They are in Iowa. They're a Midwest company. They know cold weather, they know heat, and nobody makes a heating appliance like Mendota, period. I got them in my house in Colorado. It is freezing. I use them to heat. They're gonna be our most expensive insert, so you're definitely paying for it. Now, what makes them heat so well? They're probably our most physically heavy unit. So the thicker gauge steel, it's just more heavy duty, it radiates more heat into the room. I don't know their secret sauce behind it with their heat exchangers or what. I just know you can't barely stand in front of it. So this is the 44 inch, it comes in a 33 inch, and Mendota is known for having a ton of different fronts. We'll show you all the colors, all the arches, different variable thicknesses on the frame. You can do decor models, which have, you know, more of the contemporary burners, all the panels, fully loaded. You can dress this thing up any way you want. We have the fire and log model. It's just too hot to have them both on at the same time because it's also hot outside. Trying to make this video before the season, and I'm sweating. Now the fire and log is different from the Ortal in the sense that the burner isn't in the log. There's an elevated burner and the log sits on top of it and the flame sort of rolls around it. So it's a little bit different look. You can see here, this thing is just absolutely ripping. It is just going full bore all over my leg here. And what makes Mendota so cool, obviously everything's loaded. Twin fans, twin turbo fans. No, I don't know if it's twin turbos, twin fans. 2 fans in there. I don't know if they're twins. Probably. So they produce the most amount of CFM while also keeping the quietest fan noise. It obviously radiates so much heat off the front of this unit. And then it has like the Napoleon, the 2-stage burner. Come on, cooperate. So I can shut off the rear burner. So it also is gonna give us the biggest turn down. All right? So we have the most amount of turn down with these units. These are just absolutely bulletproof units, 3-year warranty. You know, with that thicker steel, you get less crackling and popping with that metal expanding. Just an absolute treat of a unit. Like I said, I have a few Mendotas in my house. I've always been happy with them. This is gonna sound stupid, but now with houses being built so tight, this doesn't really apply to inserts as much. It can almost be too much heat, if there is such a thing. But it just cranks heat, absolutely cranks heat. So if you have an old drafty house and you're converting an old cold fireplace, this might be what you're after. But if you're after just strictly performance, no budget in mind, you can go full send. This is what you want. All right, time to get to number 1. Now, if you've seen my other videos in the past, you've seen me rate the number 1 as our Quadrifier unit. Quadrifier is gone. Why? Quadrifier is owned by the same company as Heat and Glow. So they had Quadrifier gas inserts, Majestic gas inserts, Heatilator gas inserts, and Heat and Glow gas inserts. So they had 4 brands, And what I really appreciate about them is they simplified the line logic. So they got rid of all gas products in Quadra-Fire. So Quadra-Fire is strictly a stove company now. They got rid of the gas inserts in the heatilator section. So they really only make their gas inserts in Heat and Glow and Majestic. So the only option, our old Quadra-Fire fire brick, is now, there are some differences, but it's now the Heat and Glow Escape. This is still ranked our #1, and I'm gonna tell you why. So if you're watching an old video and you saw a Quadra-Fire and you can't find it, and you loved it, this is what you want now. So look at the Heat and Glow Escape. My favorite thing is everything we've talked about so far in all these other models, it kind of takes all those features, puts it into one fireplace, and makes the best gas insert. It has anti-reflective like the Ortal, check, probably my favorite feature. It has all the bells and whistles with remote controls, fans, and LED lighting underneath the logs to make it look like burning coals, check. Aesthetics with all the fronts, check. Efficiency, heat like the Mendota. Well, nothing heats like a Mendota. Let's just say that. Let's not make no bones about it. All right, there's nothing on the planet that heats like a Mendota. This is really close though. All right, and the way they accomplish that is they use a real fire brick shell. So this has a real radiant fire brick shell inside. So like real thick fire bricks like you'd see in an old wood stove. That's what this has. It helps with efficiency, helps radiate more heat, and it just takes the magic potion of all these awesome things, of all these inserts, puts it into one machine, and gives us the best insert in my opinion. My favorite feature about this, we can go full Wi-Fi. That's not my favorite feature. I don't know why I said that. I just forgot to mention Wi-Fi. I'm getting a little blurry because I'm so hot. Bear with me, almost there. Best feature about this insert, like I mentioned on the Wilderness, is the anti-reflective glass. Like I said, remember how the anti-reflective glass I think looks better with bricks versus black panels? And that's what we have here. I think when you have the combination of the glowing embers dropping shadows on the fire brick, and then you combine that with the anti-reflective glass, and you can really see the three-dimensional real fire brick, it looks like you can stick your hand in here. Don't you think, Chris? It does. It looks open, like it looks like a real open fireplace. So to me, it's expensive. It's the most expensive unit Heat and Glow sells. It's not the most expensive insert we sell. It is expensive, but it combines the best performing with best looking, marries it together, and gives us our #1 gas insert. If you want a more in-depth review, I gotta stop talking about it because I'm gonna melt. Watch the full video below on Heat and Glow. Let me know what you think of our top 5. If you want to order any of these, call our text or sales staff today. Chris, shut these off. Out.